Introducing NITROcrete's fully automated aggregate cooling system. Challenges of traditional concrete cooling methods: inefficient cooling, reduced production time, dangers to workers' health, increased carbon emissions. NITROcrete solutions: automated cooling methods. Reduce your concrete temperatures with liquid nitrogen using modern technology. Automated, adaptive batching ensures effective concrete cooling, even in hot weather and mass concrete applications. Increased production. Automation means increased production and reduced pour time without compromising quality. This can shave days or weeks off project time. Increased safety for workers. By delivering liquid nitrogen as an admixture, NITROcrete makes concrete operations safer for workers. NITROcrete removes ice cooling from the equation and instead introduces reliability with less strain and hassle. Reduced carbon emissions. As the world shifts towards more sustainable concrete, NITROcrete offers innovative tools for producers that minimize waste and decrease carbon emissions by utilizing the latest advancements in concrete cooling technology. Experience superior cooling performance with liquid nitrogen. The system consists of a few key pieces of equipment. Liquid nitrogen storage tank. A nitrogen storage tank is designed to store nitrogen gas, regulate pressures, and control temperatures. Valve control box. A valve control box regulates the flow of nitrogen to the dispensing heads. Nitrogen dispensing heads. Dispensing heads are installed in various locations and are designed to dispense a safe and controlled release of liquid nitrogen. Insulated piping. Insulated pipes ensure that liquid remains cold as it travels through the system. HMI control box. Seamlessly integrate this cutting-edge control with your batching software for ultimate convenience and precision, making customizable cooling as simple and efficient as using an admixture. Custom design systems. Expertly designed to be installed in nearly any type of plant. Seamless integration. NITROcrete systems are designed and installed to provide desired cooling levels with no interference in batching operations. Optimal service. With a focus on achieving ultimate performance, NITROcrete systems are monitored 24/7 to maintain peak efficiencies. The NITROcrete Command Center. 24/7 technical support specialists available if issues arise. Daily system monitoring to ensure each system stays optimized. Liquid nitrogen tank level monitoring guarantees storage tanks remain full. NITROcrete, the fully automated concrete cooling system. Give us a call or check out our website for more information.